Today we're going to learn how to make a one panel curtain. So to begin with, what you need are 2 yards of tapestry fabric and 36 inches of your choice of ribbon that matches. Cut the 36 inches, and then we're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half. We will then be taking it and we will take a fire starter flame and we will melt both sides so that it doesn't fray. Okay, so now we're going to take our fabric and we're going to iron it in 1/4 of an inch. We're going to fold it once and then fold it again, and then we're going to take it and we're going to sew all the way down both sides. Then we're going to iron the bottom and roll it up, and then iron it again, and then sew along the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that step. Okay, once you have sewn both sides and the bottom, then you're going to take the side that your curtain rod will go in. So you're going to fold it under 1/4 of an inch, and you can iron that down, and then you're going to bring it down about 3 inches. So I like to use this tool right here, and then I'll measure it. There's a little place right there that you can pull it down to. Pull your fabric down, and then you're going to measure it right there, and then you take your pins and you're going to pin it so that your fabric is folded to begin with, and then you're pinning it right onto your fabric. And then I'm using this so that it's even. I'm going all the way down. I'm making sure that it's the same length all the way down, and I'm pinning it so that it will stay. So if you want, you could do this on your ironing board and you could iron it as you go. Once you have it all pinned, then go ahead and go to your sewing machine and sew it right up. Remember to backstitch on both ends. So now we're going to take our ribbon that we cut at the first, and we're going to take our fabric material and we're going to take it halfway down. So you can fold it in half and measure it. Put a pin in it in the center, and then just make sure that you go across and that it's even on both sides. So you see I sewed on one side here, and then I have a little fold line that you can iron it or whatever's going to help you. I did a little iron fold so that I could find the other side. Okay, so here it is right here, and I'm going to pin my other one on right here so that it will be even with the other side. And then we'll go ahead and sew it on. Okay, so there you have it. It's sewn on both sides. Okay, so now we're going to take it up and we're going to put it on our curtain rod. Okay, so we've got our rod and we're going to put it in our curtain panel that we just made. And then we'll go ahead and put it up. Okay, there we have our curtain panel. So now we can take our 2 strings that we have on each side, and we're going to wrap it on the back, then the front. Then we're going to go ahead and tie a bow And there we have it. And there's our curtains. Then now it's dark outside and we can go ahead and close it so that when we need to work in our laundry room at night, people can't see in. And all we have to do is pull the string and it comes down, closes up that curtain so no one can see in. I like using the tapestry fabric because it's thicker, so it's not see-through when the sunlight is on it, and even at nighttime, because of the thickness of it, it makes it a really nice curtain. Thank you for joining me today on Creating Joy as we made our one panel curtain. And if you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Creating Joy.